Friends, we have adopted parliamentary system of government. The elected representative have got ample opportunities to ventilate the grievances of the public when the legislature session meets. Legislature session, see, usually they meet during the governor's address and the budget, the winter session, and sometimes during the rainy session also. When the sitting commences of the assembly at 11 a.m. and terminates at 6 p.m. normally, and the next day also commences at 11 a.m. In between this, if any untoward incident takes place, the legislators have got power to submit a notice in respect of the public importance matter. But actually, there is no rule as such in the legislative assembly. Out of convention, we are following that, and 10 members allowed to make a mention, and the minister will make the brief statement on the remedial issues. But whereas the Karnataka Legislative Council, they actually amended the rules in 2018, and there is a specific rule for 0 hour, wherein the members have to give notices 1 hour before the commencement of the house, and if the notice is in order, the same will be placed before the house, and the minister concerned will make a brief statement, and there shall be no debate on that. That is how the business of the 0 hour carries in the legislative council. Actually, 0 hour means every day the first sitting commences from between 11 to 12 question hour. After the question hour and before taking the regular business of the house, it is called as 0 hour, that is in vacuum, after 12 and before moving to 12:1. So that is called as 0 hour. So but there is no much scope in this 0 hour. However, there is another important parliamentary weapon before the legislators, that is called as adjourn motion, where they can bring any matter of severe public importance matter. See, today the house adjourns at in the evening, and the next day morning it starts at 11. In between this, if there is any untoward incident happens, the members have got, say, a right to move an adjourn motion, and under rules of procedure, that is under Rule 59 and 60 of the Karnataka Legislative Assembly rules, the member who is moving the motion has to make a mention only about one subject. There should not be more than one issue for an adjourned motion. And the importance of the motion is also to be mentioned in the notice. And such notices will have to be given to the secretary 1 hour before the commencement of the house, and a copy to be given to the speaker, the minister, parliamentary minister, and the concerned minister. And after the question hour is over, and before taking the next business of the house, the speaker will permit the member to move an adjourned motion, provided the motion is in order and in accordance with the conditions of admissibility of the business of the house. And the notice should not contain any matters which have been discussed earlier, that is, there should not be a revival of discussion. When there is a scope for a general matter which can be discussed either in the governor's address, motion of thanks to governor's address, or general discussion or budget and calling condition, there are many other opportunities. But this is most important, urgent public importance, severe importance. For example, recently in Bangalore, there is an arson, looting and firing and destruction of police station building, etc. And the communal clashes also took place. That is a very important issue. During session period, if such things happens, it is a duty of the bound and duty of the concerned members to bring such severe public importance matters before the house. And if the notice is on order, the speaker will permit the member to move a motion on the floor. He will ask the member to move his motion, and the member concerned rise up in the house and reads the matter. And if 23 members supports the motion, the speaker says the adjourned motion is admitted, and discussion will take place, and the discussion will take place by the evening of the day. If the notice is not in order, the speaker can straight away reject the motion, explaining the reasons for the rejection of the motion. In fact, this is a very important issue. See, if there is a scarcity condition or severe drought or floods, see some air crash or railway accident, and that is called as untoward incident. See, every day the house commences at 11 o'clock and the question hour will be there, and after that calling attention, laying of papers, yesterday business, financial, etc. will be taken. But if such untoward incident takes place in between the adjournment of the previous sitting and the before meeting the next sitting, these type of matters can be taken in the form of adjourned motion, which is very, very effective, and the government will be put into tension. See, it is a bounden duty to bring this matter to the before the legislature, and the minister or the government will have to take his view very seriously and give remedial measures to the public. This is in brief about the adjourned motion and 0 hour.